So as you can see, it comes with this really nice canvas bag. These are the actual levelers that are in here. I want to show you these real quick. So the leveling blocks come with these 2 rubber skid mats, and then there's 2 of each of these. So this is going to be the actual wheel chalk, and this is going to be the leveling ramp. So the way that this is going to work, pretty neat, is you put this down behind your tire, and I'm going to show you guys this once we get up to Maine, but I just wanted to kind of give you a quick little run through. And then you're going to stick this underneath your tire, and then basically what you're going to do is you're just going to back up or pull forward, and as you drive, it's going to ramp it up anywhere from a 1/2 inch to this is actually 4 inches of height. So once you get your desired height, all you're going to do is you're just going to take this chalk, and this is just going to sit under there. So this actually acts as a cradle for the wheel. So really looking forward to using this. This is going to completely eliminate the fact that we have to use the 1-inch stackable Legos. I'm sure you know which ones I'm talking about, because you can never figure out, do you need 1? Do you need 2? Do you need 2.5? And as you know, they can't get a 1/2 of one. So this is really neat because this is going to be a nice little gradual adjustment all the way again from a 1/2 inch to 4 inch. So we'll get to that at another time. All right, so we're coming up to our campsite. I have no idea if this site is level. So let's see how this new leveling system works. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna back in and see how level. So let's check it out. Let's give these things a shot. These are the non-skid mats. Give us at most 4 inches of rise. We only need, I think, 3 1/4. So let's see where we're at. So passenger side is low by 3 inches, and the front's high by 5.5. So we're not going to get as high in the back here, but we should get it. I'm looking for the side to side to be even.
Oh, aren't you using your... Okay, yeah, I think you can keep going. All right. Oh. Go forward a little. All right, maybe. How'd that work on the leveler?
It went up, but it didn't go. It only brought it to, I'm still a little low.
So is that, do you think that's 4 inches right there? I mean,
I think at this, we're level enough where I can bump the, put the brackets down and do it that way.
Okay.
So.
All right.
Once that's in, now we need to take our chalks. That should hold it there.
All right. Yeah, I think maybe getting the circle under the center would be the inches. So I should have put the big circle through the center.
It's all right. It's just because it's sunk into the ground.
Oh, it did a little.
Yep. but it's higher than the wall, so we should be able to unbuckle it and level it from there.
All right. They're just touching though, they're not extended.
All right, so screen record. You should be able to use this to get the back up.
We'll just extend all for a minute to push them all in before you. All right, now they're all pushed in.
Huh?
I said they're all pushed in now, so you can go ahead and level.
So that's showing front to back is level.
Very good.
And then we got to come up on this side. So that's showing 0 side to side and 0 front to back. So let's reset it and try again.
Is that something you have to do?
I don't think so, but I just want to double check.
And I'll put the slides out and see if it
So
moves.
side to side is level, front to back is level.
All right, pop the slides and let's see if it changes.
Let's throw the level on it just to be sure.
Well,
Always double check. And it's showing a little off. That's showing perfect. This just shows a little off. Put the slides on, see how it goes. It's still showing side to side. I mean front to back. So now that's hanging on the driver's side.
1/4 inch.
It's still in the green.
Okay. It looks a lot sharper though from in here. I can see the floor like tilting that way.
What do you mean?
It looks like if I put a ball on it, it's gonna go whoop.
No.
No? All right. Cool beans. Whew. That's a step. That's all right.
Well, I mean, look at the level. Take a picture of the level.
Yeah, I guess that's on.
Well, I would call that a win. It was a whole lot easier than trying to use the level side to side, getting in and out, moving the truck, messing with the camper. So even if it's just using the phone app and being able to, you know, somewhat level it and then utilize the legs to finish leveling it, I think it's a pretty neat little device. And the little ramps underneath the tires actually add a little bit of extra height, so I'm not using the legs as much. So I'm pretty excited. Got Gonna try it out on a couple of different spots. You know, where it's really gonna come in handy is when we're doing the little pull-offs on the side of the road, or if we go to a rest stop or something like that. So looking forward to that. But yeah, for right now, I mean, I think that's pretty good, works good, and I'm excited to keep trying it.